You don't need confidence to start. You build confidence by doing. Ang daming tao na akala nila kailangan confident muna sila bago nila gawin yung gusto talaga nilang gawin. For example, gusto mo maging YouTuber, gusto mo maging influencer, gusto mo maging sikat na TikTok creator, or maybe gusto mo lang mag-gym, gusto mo lang magsimula ng new hobby, pero lagi mong iniisip na, ay, I'm not confident enough to do that. That's why hindi ko muna siya gagawin. Maybe in the future, gagawin ko na siya kapag confident na ako. Girl, what if never kang naging confident? If hintay ka lang na hintay to be ready, eh di baka maghintay ka forever. Sa totoo lang, I don't even feel ready doing this. But still, ginagawa ko pa rin. Kasi yung mga tao, they think na most people are born confident. Diba? Iniisip nila na maybe dahil sa family nila, kaya they're able to be more confident, or maybe dahil sa mga surroundings nila, that's why confident sila. That's a lie. Any skill in the world can be learned. Yung confidence pa kaya, think about all the women you adore. Think about all the people you admire. Do you think na hindi nila dinadoubt yung sarili nila? They do. Think about Rihanna. Bago pa man siya sumikat, for sure, she had her own share of doubts. For sure, yung mga actors, yung actresses na napapanood natin, bago pa man sila sumikat, they had their doubt na baka mamaya hindi sila magaling umarte, baka mamaya hindi sila tanggapin ng agency or whatever, but still they showed up. There's this person, his name is Denzel Washington. He has a famous speech on YouTube. Isa siyang graduation speech. If you watch his video about Fall Forward, he mentioned na he failed a lot of times bago pa man niya nakuha yung breakthrough role niya. Tapos ikaw, hindi ka pa nagsisimula, pero ayaw mo na. Diba? Kung sa tingin mo na dapat confident ka muna bago ka magsimula, mali. Ang totoo, para dumating yung confidence, kailangan mo ng action. There's this myth na kailangan confident ka muna bago ka mag-take action. Mali yun. In reality, you need to take action before your confidence can follow. I'll repeat that. You need to take action first before your confidence can follow. Just think about this. Isipin mo lahat ng bagay na ginawa mo for the first time. Halimbawa, yung first job interview mo, yung first time mo kumanta, yung first time mong sumulat, anything that made you feel scared, you'll realize na it's all in your head. Kasi the more you do those things, the more na ginagawa mo yung mga kinakatakutan mo, the more natural it will be for you. Kasi yung confidence, for example, in public speaking, or maybe just speaking straight, confidently, it's something na you need time to practice. And even now, ako, you might think or assume na automatically I'm a good speaker. Pero that's far from reality. Until now, pinapractice ko pa rin siya. Until now, pinapractice ko pa rin yung tono ko, the way I dictate, the way na binabagalan ko yung pagsasalita ko, or the time na binibilisan ko. It's really a matter of practice. It's also a matter of repetition. Okay? Kasi if I don't take the time to do the things that scare me, I know for a fact na hindi darating yung time na magiging confident ako sa pagsasalita. And that's the same way with you. Whatever you want to start doing, you need to start regardless if you're confident. You need to start regardless kung takot ka. Because anything worthwhile in life, you need to pay the price for it. And in this instance, kailangan mong ma-overcome yung hiya mo, kailangan mong ma-overcome yung takot mo, kailangan mong ma-overcome ang lahat ng kinakatakutan mo. Because if you do those things, then for sure, may reward na kapalit yan. Every confident person you've ever seen, they weren't born that way. They built themselves. At ikaw, whatever you want to be, you have the power to achieve that. O ngayon, baka iniisip mo, ano na lang iisipin ni ganito, ano na lang iisipin ni ganyan. Stop that. If naghihintay ka ng approval ng ibang tao before you act, that's weak energy. If you're always looking for the approval of other people, then you're not living the life you want to live. So what kung iisipin niya na parang, ay, bida-bida to? So what kung iisipin niya na, ay, papansin to? So what kung iisipin nila na, ay, hindi naman magaling to? So what kung iisipin nila yun? Just think about it this way. Kahit kailan, wala naman silang naging ambag sa buhay mo. The only person you ever need to seek approval of is yourself. You're the only person you need to please. Kaya kung may gusto ka man gawin ngayon, start. The best time to start is now. Never later, now. Hindi darating yung tamang panahon kasi yung tamang panahon lang na meron ka lagi is ngayon. The next time na iisipin mo na hindi ka pa ready, tandaan mo to. Nobody on this earth was ever ready. You just have to move.